Miro is an incredibly popular tool in the productivity and time management space, but before you make the decision to buy, there are a few things you need to know. While Miro certainly shines in some areas, there are a few aspects to consider, especially when compared to its competitors. Let's dive in. First thing, Miro is a visually oriented platform that focuses on collaborative whiteboarding. It's great for brainstorming, mind mapping, and creating interactive, dynamic boards. But if you're more into project management or task tracking, other tools like Monday.com or Asana might serve you better, as they're more geared towards structured workflows rather than free-form brainstorming. Next thing, Miro offers a free version, but it has some limitations. You only get 3 editable boards, which could quickly become restrictive if you plan to use Miro extensively. This is where competitors like Lucidchart or Jamboard can come in handy, offering easier access to features without the same constraints. The third thing, Miro integrates with a wide range of tools, including Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. This is a strong point, but keep in mind that some integrations may require additional setup, especially if you're working within a larger enterprise environment. In contrast, tools like Trello offer simpler, more seamless integrations out of the box. The fourth thing, when it comes to usability, Miro is quite user-friendly, but it can get overwhelming if you're just starting. The learning curve is steeper compared to simpler tools like Canva or even Google Docs, where you can jump right in without a tutorial. If you're not willing to spend time learning the ropes, Miro might feel like too much of a commitment. Next, Miro is highly customizable, which can be a huge benefit for teams with specific needs. Whether it's adding custom templates or adjusting the layout of boards, it offers flexibility that competitors like Microsoft Whiteboard can't match. But again, this flexibility could also be a downside if you're looking for something more structured and easy to navigate. Another thing to consider is Miro's pricing. The Pro version starts at $8 per user per month, and if you need enterprise-level features, the cost can go up significantly. While it's reasonable for its core features, it's not the most cost-effective solution compared to alternatives like Trello, which offers a solid free plan for smaller teams. The next thing, Miro shines in remote team collaboration. It's perfect for teams working across different time zones, thanks to its real-time updates and easy-to-use commenting features. But if you're in need of a more focused, task-driven collaboration tool, something like Notion or ClickUp might be a better fit. Another thing to note is Miro's ability to support large teams. While it scales well, it can be a bit chaotic if you have too many collaborators on a board at once. Tools like Miro have been built with larger teams in mind and might handle crowded boards more efficiently. The ninth thing, Miro has an extensive library of templates, which is great for getting started quickly. Whether it's for brainstorming, project planning, or workshops, there's a template for almost everything. However, if you want more specialized templates for industry-specific needs, competitors like Lucidchart may offer more precise options. The 10th thing, Miro is mobile-friendly, but its mobile app isn't as powerful as the desktop version. For quick edits or reviewing boards on the go, it's fine, but if you're planning to create detailed boards from scratch on mobile, other options like Jamboard might give you a more optimized experience. Next thing, security is a strong point with Miro, as it supports single sign-on, SSO, two-factor authentication, and encryption. However, if you need highly specialized security features, enterprise tools like Microsoft Teams could offer more robust options depending on your requirements. The 12th and final thing, Miro's customer support is generally well regarded, but response times can vary depending on the plan you're on. If immediate support is a priority for your team, consider alternatives like Monday.com, which has a more comprehensive support structure for all users. In conclusion, Miro is an excellent choice if you're looking for a flexible, collaborative tool for brainstorming and remote team engagement. However, if you're focused more on project management, cost effectiveness, or simplicity, you might want to check out other options. That said, Miro is definitely worth considering, and if you're curious about a better solution, be sure to check out our recommended alternative that you can try for free.